Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cam Lab. We are going to discuss some important question of forensic science assistance. The first question: Measure plasma protein. Option number A: globin. Option B: albumin. Option C: benzoin protein. Option D: fibrinogen. The option A is the correct answer. Globin. Now we are going to discuss question number 2. This all are previous year question of forensic science assistant exams. Question number 2. The determination of calcium with the atomic absorption spectroscopy interference occurs due to formation of refracto oxides, calcium oxide, diphosphate pentaoxides, and calcium oxide and trisilicon oxide. It can be eliminated by option number A: changing air acetylene flame to nitrous oxide acetylene flame. Option B: decreasing oxygen concentration. Option C: adding of a releasing agent. Option D: using fuel rich flame. What is the correct answer, friends? Option A, B, C, D. Both all are correct answers. Now we are going to move on question number 3. Iron 3 is the waste determined by UV visible spectroscopy with there are four options: thiocyanate, acetate, cyanides, dimethyl glycosides. The option number 1 is correct. We are going to move on question number 4. In the atomic absorption spectroscopy, neon, ga- uh, neon gases ions bombarded the halocathode lamp and eject metal atoms from cathode. This process is refers to as splitting. Guys, this process is known as splitting. When a beam of light or when a particle bombarded on a sample, the sample get emitted. That emission is called splitting. Now we are going to see question number 5. Moment of nuclei is negligible during the time taken by an electron transition. It's called Frank Condon's principle. These all are very easy question for chemistry student. Question number 6. In flame photometry, the negative deviation from the straight line are observed because of option number 1, high concentration. Option number 2, low concentration. Option number 3, does not depend on concentration. Option number 4, high temperature. The flame photometry is dependent on the high concentration. So option number 1 is correct. Now we are going to see question number 7. In question number 7, in some spectrophotometers, a prism is used with the grating which have the following advantage. On option number 1, it gives double dispersion and reduce straight light. It eliminates maximum light. It reduces red light. All the above. The option number 1 is just correct because when we use a monochromator, when a light passes through the monochromator emit two beams, means two double beams that disperse. Question number 8. In UV visible spectroscopy, for optimum dispersion, the splits should be put Option number A, as far as possible. Option number B, as near as possible. Option C, anywhere near each other. None of above. When a sample used in a UV visible spectroscopy, the sample should be put near. Option number B is correct. Now we are going to see question number 9. In scanning electron microscopy, the electron in the beam interact with the sample and give information about the surface and dash and dash. We know scanning electron microscopy used to see topology and morphology. So question number 1 is option A is correct. The emission Question number 10, the emission spectroscopy is used because option number A, it is highly it is extremely sensitive. Option B, it is a very specific. Option C, it is a sensitive as well as specific. Option number D, it is the neither sensitive or non-specific. Option number C is correct. It is specific and sensitive. Now we are going to see question number 11. Scanning transmission electron microscope can be used to study of a particulate and thin foil having beam of diameter as small. In this question, we are going to see how the beam size or diameter. Option A 1 nanometer, option B 2 nanometer, option C 3 nanometer, option 4 nanometer. Option B is correct, 2 nanometer. Now we are going to see question number 12. The emission spectra are, how many types of emission spectra are? So option number 1, 2 types, option B 1 type, option C 3 type, option D 4 types. Guys, emission spectra are 3 types. So option number C is correct. For more update, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.